Good day everyone. Now we are going to draw the isometric view of the sofa. The question is given over here and now we have to draw the top view of the sofa. From the top view we can able to see the seater and we can able to see the armrest thickness and backrest thickness. The overall length of the sofa is 2100 mm and the width of the sofa is, depth of the sofa is 900 mm. The thickness of the backrest 150 mm and the thickness of the armrest is 120 mm. You have to read the questions properly and then mark the top view dimension, and same we have drawn the front view of the sofa. So from this front view, we all know from this front view we can able to see the overall length of the sofa, height of the sofa, the width of the sofa, the thickness of the cushion and thickness of the armrest, the height of the armrest from the floor. We will be seeing all those data. Based on it, I have marked the dimensions. So the width of the sofa is 2000 and the length of the sofa is 2100 mm. The overall height of the sofa is 900 mm. From the floor to the seater height, it is 450 mm and the height of the leg is 100 mm. From the floor to the armrest height, it will be 650 mm. The thickness of the cushion is 100 mm. The thickness of the armrest is 120 mm. And the leg thickness is 30 mm. And same way we also need to draw the side view of the sofa, and the dimension should be marked according to it, where the overall length is 900 mm. The height of the armrest from the floor, it is 650 mm. The thickness of the leg is 30 mm and the thickness of the backrest, it is 150 mm. We have to mark the overall dimension, and the overall depth of the sofa is 900 mm. First we have to draw the top view, front view and the side view, and we have to find the scale. So now what I am going to do is I am going to use the normal, I am planning to draw using the normal scale. So I am going to identify 1 centimeter is equal to 100 mm. So if it is 2100 mm, in my normal scale I will be taking only 21 centimeter. And we all know, while we are doing a isometric view, first we will be drawing a horizontal imaginary line below and mark a point, and using a protractor, and you will be marking a 30 degree on the either side. And here what I have done is, on one side I have marked the depth of the bed, which is depth of the sofa, which is 900 mm, and the overall length of the sofa, which is marked over here, which is 2100 mm. So using my normal scale, I have taken 9 centimeter on one side, and in the other side I have taken it as a 21 centimeter. I have taken it as a 21 centimeter. Now what I have done is, like using my set square, I have drawn up a parallel line on either side. I have drawn a parallel line using my set square, and make sure that it is joining each other. And once it is joined, from all the 4 corners, I am drawing a 90 degree line, which is the height of the furniture. I am drawing a 90 degree line, which will be the height of the furniture. So while we are drawing the sofa, first let us start drawing the height of the leg. So from the floor, the height of the leg is 100 mm. So which is, from using my normal scale, I will be marking 1 centimeter. I will be marking 1 centimeter on all the 4 corners. So from all the four corners I have drawn the leg height. And it is also given the length, the width of the leg is 30 mm. So as we are drawing the leg for the bed, so for the sofa, for the bed and for chair, everything will be same. So I am marking 30 mm on all the sides and I am going to draw the leg. Okay, now I have complete drawing the leg. Let me draw the from the floor to the seater. It is from the floor to the seater. It is 450 mm. So I am going to mark 4.5 mm from the floor level. Mark 4.5 mm from the floor level, and then I am just connecting the lines. So in the question it has given the from the floor to the seater it is 450 mm. So the cushion thickness will be coming below the seater height. Okay. So let me mark 1 centimeter, which is 100 mm on all the three sides. I am not marking it over here because it will be invisible. Like these lines, if I mark a line over here, it will become invisible. So I am just going to mark the front part. Now I have complete drawing the cushion thickness. I am just creating a small curve like structure over here because usually the cushion will be little bit which will be little bit curvy. So I am just drawing a small curve like structure over here. Now let me draw the armrest. Or else shall I complete drawing the, I feel that let me complete drawing the backrest. Okay. So from the floor it is from the floor it is 900 mm. So I am marking 900 mm on all the sides and going to connect this point. As you have drawn the chair and the bed and other things, same way you are going to draw the thickness of the backrest. The thickness of the backrest is 150 mm, which in your normal scale you will be taking it as a 1.5. While you are drawing, make sure that you are using your set square so that you will be getting the line parallel. Okay. I'm just taking a little bit over here and then And then now I am going to mark 1.5 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter, and I am connecting the backrest, and from here to here we are connecting using the straight line. Now we have complete drawing the backrest. Okay, and now let us draw the armrest. The armrest is from the floor, armrest is 650 mm. So from the floor level I am going to mark 6.5, and from here to here I am going to mark 6.5. Same way, even from here to here I am going to mark 6.5, and then 6.5. So let me connect this line. So once I complete drawing the armrest thing, I have to draw the thickness of the armrest. Same like how you are drawing the thickness of the backrest, you are going to use the set square, and then we are just drawing the thickness of the and we know the thickness of the armrest is 120 mm. So in using my normal scale I will be taking like 1.02, 1.2. Okay. And I am going to connect the point from here to here. And connecting this point. And same way I am also going to draw the armrest over this side. So which is 1.2. Now we have complete drawing the sofa. Let me erase the invisible line and darken the visible